So this is what it looks like here in Northern California. I was hoping for some sun for you guys that are coming from Canada and back east, but it's not horrible. It's just kind of dreary. But anyway, I just wanted to check in with all of you guys. I'm super excited to be meeting everybody, and I wanted to just put a few notes out there. If you haven't filled out your preference sheet, please do. There's a link to that. Just trying to make it so that everybody gets together, and if certain people are staying at the same hotel, you can ride share over to the clinic. The clinic is literally probably a $5 Uber ride from any of the hotels on the list. And that's simple. Most of the hotels probably have umbrellas, but you might want to bring a little umbrella just in case. I mean, California rain is not a big deal, although Californians think it is. And I'm a Californian. Anyway, so, you know, just, it's chilly at nighttime. Probably goes down into the 40s right now. When it's raining, it's a little warmer. I think during the day, it's maybe in the upper 50s. We will be inside. So, this is kind of a good weekend actually to just be focused and inside, enjoying ourselves and getting to know each other on Friday night. I'm just going to put together a little event where we can all, get together. Probably I'll have you come to my house, just depending on how many people we end up having. It's a small group. I'm excited for the people that are coming in, and then of course we have a lot more people joining us online. If you haven't registered, hop online and register. Dee is arriving tomorrow. I'm so excited to meet her in the flesh. And if you haven't seen, her recipe website is now up, deesrecipes.com. And of course, if you're coming to the retreat, we are giving you a hardbound copy that I personally made, me and Lydia. And then we have a downloadable version. If you are registering, you will get that to download as a part of your registration. So 50 recipes of baking. I'm super excited for her. She has been dreaming for a very long time about getting to write a recipe book. It's what she's passionate about. It's what she does amazing, and I'm glad to help her get the technical and all the paper issues done, all the website-y stuff. So, you know, we all have to be a team. It takes a village to create, you know, things for each other. Another thing I would love for everybody that is attending is if you can, bring your Get Started packet, your paperwork that you give to your brand new clients. And any marketing materials that you have, maybe postcards, flyers, those kinds of things. Super great to collaborate and share together. I'm compiling a lot of different things that maybe I've seen online or I use in my clinic, just so that everybody, you know, we can share all of that stuff and get creative ideas from it for the upcoming year. And then, if you wanted if you marked on your preference paperwork that you wanted a spa treatment, I will be connecting you with our body worker esthetician. Amazing facials, you guys. I will be connecting you with Elena, and you guys can figure out, you know, after in the evening time or maybe at lunchtime. You guys can figure that out together, or on Thursday. I think she's around on Thursday. Maybe you guys can, or Thursday evening when you first get here. It would be great to have a facial or a massage. Anyway, I'll connect you guys. Someone asked for LipoMelt treatment. We're happy to do that too. You know, try out the machine. Lydia, our technician, will be around on Friday and Saturday, so we can do that for you. And just let me know any questions that you might have. I'll be putting out some dinner suggestions. Los Gatos is a tiny little town. So earlier in the week I put hiking suggestions, but I guess that's not going to be happening. So lots of great little boutique restaurants and shopping, and if you're staying in the downtown hotels, it's all walking distance from your hotel. If you're at the Los Gatos Hotel or at the Toll House over at the Los Gatos Lodge, you can walk into town. Of course, it's kind of rainy, but you know, get a little wet. Anyway, I'm looking forward to meeting everybody and all of you that are registering online. If you are joining us live, you will get to comment, and I'll be monitoring the comments and answering questions. On Sunday at 10 a.m. we have Dr. Vicky from our local naturopathic practice that's going to be talking about thyroid and hormones and menopause and sleep and inflammation. So that's going to be a really great workshop that gives us a lot of information to share with our clients. I'm always sharing with my clients if I think that, you know, something is up and they need to see someone other than me, they need to get well. So I'm always sharing that kind of stuff. All right, you guys, I am so looking forward to seeing everybody, and I'll be in touch. If you have questions, put them in the comments section or just PM me, and happy to make everybody have a super great experience. Have a good day.